I tried making money online watching YouTube videos.
And that you can do so from anywhere across the globe, and importantly, you can do so for free.
I'll be sharing my experience on how I moved from watching video online without making money to how I watch and make money watching YouTube videos. And this is the best app I've ever made money online watching YouTube video myself, and not like other fake make money watching YouTube video platforms. The truth is that you can make money watching videos online, but the fake are much online and difficult to differentiate them. In this video is my life experience, and you can see my recent balance. Note that our YouTubers have turned making money online watching YouTube to be too much exaggerated. It is fun to watch video and get side hustle through it, but you can't get rich making money watching YouTube videos. So you need to forget about making huge amounts watching YouTube videos only. You can only make penny through this process. But if you want real deal of making money online, then you need to watch my video on tips on how to make money on my Make Money playlist. There are top secrets of making money watching videos on this platform, and I will share these secrets on this video to you on how you can make the best of this platform. As I earlier said, you can truly make money watching videos online, but it is a penny that may not get you to meet up with the payout even for up to 5 months, if not more than that. But with this secret, the strategy I use, you can make up to any amount you wish and meet up the minimum payout of 10 USD in a very short time. All you have to do is to follow me till the end of this video, and I will share all the tips and tricks for you. The withdrawal method on this platform is through PayPal, and other methods include mobile recharge, where you can top up your network. As you can see, the mobile account can be refilled with minimum of 10 USD or above. Refilling may be unavailable for some network providers, but you will see the list of network in your area that you can use to withdraw your earning on this great platform. I will also show you my previous payouts that I use mobile recharge to cash out my earning on this platform. So if PayPal is not in your country, no worry. Use the other method to withdraw your earnings. For example, in my country, I can use to recharge my airtime and also convert it to data. You can see my video on how to enjoy unlimited data and free airtime on this video. The secret of making money from this platform is truly the chess box, and with their referral program that can make you up to 1 USD on each every referral you invited to this app. I will show you how you can do that just by clicking on invite friends and tap on clap team, and you will see your referral link and also your referral code, which can help you up to 1 USD per one referral. Meanwhile, for new user that you invite, he or she must use your clap code within 24 hours of his registration in order to redeem your reward as a treasure chest. To use the clap code and redeem your reward, tap on reward on the bottom menu, and on the top menu you see redeem. Tap on it and tap on clap team code. You can also tap on redeem reward and enter the clap code below to redeem the price. I will drop the link to this app in the video description below and also in the comment section. Also, a link will be dropped for you as a guide on how you can complete your registration. So the top secret of making money without watching video on this app is to go to the reward section and you will see earn ClipClap coin quickly. The first one is through spin. As you can see, you can earn up to $5, $3, $1 by spinning the mega spin. I earned myself 10 cents. With my total balance before, which is 9.55, I click on confirm. Bounty research is another great way to earn quickly with Clipcoin. The other one is BitLab. BitLab gives you offer world where you can make a survey and offer and earn as many coins as you can see. All these offers are having 5-star already. You can earn a lot with ClipClap app. Receive Cash is another great offer for you to earn a lot with this app. Earn Fast is also a great way where you can trade. You trade with the biggest platform in the world and make yourself a lot of money from this app. One my favorite of all is the raffle, where I earn myself USD for free. I can earn myself up to 10 USD, 1 USD, 5,000 ClipCap coin, and raffle ticket coupon that I can use to shop online on Amazon websites. So you can see there is not only watching YouTube videos that can earn you money from this great platform. If you are a gamer, you can go to the menu and tap on game and see a lot of games that can earn you a lot of coin that you can convert, that you can withdraw into your paper or withdraw out through mobile recharge. As you can make your withdrawal as soon as you hit the 10 USD minimum payout. So take your time to play game, claim a lot of chests and cash out fast with this app. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe for more insightful videos just like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you in my next top video.